what are you guys doing?
We are discussing about the Nature Week event that will be held at the end of this month. Please come join us.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
please. Okay, so any of you guys have any idea, like what kind of activity should we do?
I have an idea. I wanted to make a day for recycling. There are so many activities we can do with recyclable stuffs. What about we have a competition? I call it the innovator. The participants have to make a product from recycled things that can be sold to people. The most innovative product wins. Another activity is recycle garden. A group of people have to decorate a surrounding with recycled stuff. With this activity, the participant can show their talent at designing and gives inspiration for others to try the design with the recycled stuff. Both of the competition teaches them to reuse the stuff, and we can reduce the amount of waste we throw every day.
Nice
Okay,
idea.
nice.
I have an idea too. As far as I'm concerned, I think by organizing a camping to reserve forest at Similajau is the best activity for our upcoming event. This is because I found out that camping activity have many benefits to college students as it can bring anyone closer to the nature. For instance, students can gain some knowledge about species of trees, animals, plants that rarely found outside the campus. Furthermore, in spite of that, many activities can be done such as swimming, hiking, jungle, trekking and more. Besides that, one can also learn about basic survival skills and create lasting memory. So, from this camping activity, I am sure that responsibility and caring of a student towards the nature can be raised, thus we can implant a love for the nature to them.
I disagree. Camping uses a lot of money to make it happen.
But maybe we can gain some money through donation, charity, or we can sell foods at the cafeteria. Why not, right?
Yeah, right. I agree with that. So I have an idea too. How about we do a tree painting? So we will invite a guest from somewhere else and teach us about how to plant a tree. And then we can invite our community to come our campus and do a tree planting with us. How about that? So we can strengthen our relationship with our community. And we can also do a competition at our hostel to plant a tree so they can decorate their hostel with the trees.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Nice idea. I agree with your statement because I believe that by organizing tree planting also can reduce carbon dioxide in our atmosphere and provide us clean air to us.
Okay, so what I've been thinking actually, we make a trip to the national park. We can go to the Lambe Hills National Park at Miri, Sarawak. It just take around 2 hours to go there from our campus. So the purpose of the trip is to let students appreciate the beauty of the nature and at the same time learn some species of the flora and fauna found there. So we will book a chalet to stay there a few days. And what kind of activities that I have thinking before, we can do some hiking activities, flying fox, rock climbing, kayaking, and more.
Oh, I
Nice.
think that trip program you can combine with the camping program because they are the same thing. So it's about you will go to the national park too.
Okay.
So I have another idea which is video making competition. So the purpose of this video is we want to make people realize about the nature surround us. Then about the video, the criteria for the video is we can talk about the nature, and the video is around 50 minutes. So participant who wants to join this video, they can register with us. So the type of video, they can do anything they want, which is animation, reality, illustration, acting. And then for the winner, we will give the prize for that.
But do you think that student will interested in this program, video competition? Like, yeah, you know, not all students have a nice camera to do the video. But yeah, actually it's a good idea though. Yeah, you have a prize.
So in your guys' opinion, what is the best idea we have?
In my opinion, I think my idea that the tree planting.
Me too. I
Yeah.
think
Yeah.
it's a good idea.
So, I think we have come to the end of our discussion. All of us have agreed that by organizing tree planting is the best way for our Nature Week. Thank you so much for your interesting ideas and cooperation.
Alright, no problem.
So I think I'm hungry now.
Yeah.
How about you guys?
Yeah, me too. Yeah, Naimi should.
We should get going lah.
Yeah, Naimi
Yeah.
should buy us food. Okay, let's go.
Let's go, guys.
Reservoir at Simi Laju, can bring some fresh air to us lah,
Yeah, actually it's a good idea.
The best idea we have.
I
My
think,
opinion.
I
My
think
opinion.
Yeah, Naimi should
we should get going lah.
buy us food.
How about let's